Hey guys, welcome back. So I just picked up this generator for $100 online. The seller said that it's been in storage for 3 or 4 years. The oil's drained, it has no gasoline, it has no issues. Is it worth the $100? Will it run? Let's find out.
Well, first things first, we know that the motor does turn. I'm just going to give it one pull because there's no oil in it. So that's a good sign.
All right, next thing is to pull the spark plug. The seller said it was brand new, and as you can see, it is brand new. That's awesome. All right, next thing is check the fuel tank. So, not sure how well you can see, but there is a little bit of fuel in the bottom of that tank. So I'm a little nervous about that, but I'm gonna take a stab, put some fresh treated fuel in there, and see if we can get it to kick over after we add the oil. All right, next I'm checking the air filter. This one doesn't seem to be in too bad a shape. It's a little discolored, a little bit worn, so we're gonna pop in a new one to see if that'll help. And there's a brand new one, just like that. So new air filter is always a good idea. Although this one didn't look too bad, it is discolored, it's supposed to be nice and white, so it doesn't hurt to pop a brand new one in, and they're only like $7 or $8. All right, and as advertised, this thing is just about completely drained of oil, so we're gonna go ahead and put some good synthetic 5W30 in there, and we're gonna try and kick this thing over. Okay, air filter's good, spark plug's good. We filled it up with treated gas, and we filled it up with synthetic oil. Choke's on, and the on switch is on. Let's let it rip and see what happens. All right, well that answers the question. The $100 unrunning or non-running generator was a good purchase. So I made sure that the engine turned over and all the fluids are drained, so I basically just made sure everything was in order, and the thing was running mint now. So I cleaned it up, I put it online for sale. If you look on Marketplace in Connecticut, you can probably find it right now. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Smash that like button, make sure to comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching, take care.